Hello and welcome to the channel. If you want to create a new user in Microsoft Windows operating system, here is what you should do. Okay, on your keyboard, go and press these two keys simultaneously, the Windows logo key and the letter R. That will give you this run dialog box. Then go type control user passwords 2 and go for OK. That will take you to this interface. Right here, you have to go for the add, and that will take you here. Then go for sign in with a Microsoft account, and then go for local account. Go for the name. This will be a username, Chris. The password will be 1234 1234. Then I can go for Ken as a hint. Then after that, I will go for next. I will go for finish, and automatically we just added a new user. As you can see, there is another way to do that. What you have to do in that case is to go for the advanced, click on the advanced, then go for this advanced once again. That will take you to this interface. Under the name, double click on the users, then go for the actions part. So on more actions, click on that drop down menu and go for new user. So right here we can go for Ben, and then I don't have to add all this, full name and other things. I'll go for password 1234, confirm 1234. I don't have to put this. I will uncheck this. I will go for create and have a look. Let me close it. We have Ben. We created Ben and we created Chris. Okay, I will close this. I will close this. No, let me go for users. Let me close it and open this once again. On my keyboard, I will go for Windows logo key and the letter R, then control user passwords 2. I will go for OK. So have a look and see. We have Ben, we have Chris. Okay, so I don't need them for now. Let me go ahead and remove all of them. I will go select Chris and go for remove. Okay, I will go for Ben and I will go for remove. And we are good to go. Okay guys, please, we need a like. If you think that this video is helpful, please kindly give us a like. If you want to subscribe, that would be fine, but most importantly, we need the like. Please give us a like. Thanks for watching and God bless you. See you in my next video.